Happy Independence Day 2021. Welcome to Inspiring Youth YouTube channel. National Flag of India. National Flag Tricolor a Tiranga. The national flag consists of a horizontal rectangular tricolor with saffron at the top, white in the middle and green at the bottom, and the center has a navy blue wheel with 24 spokes, known as the Ashoka Chakra. Saffron color indicates the strength and courage of the country. White color indicates peace and truth with Dharma Chakra. Green color indicates the fertility, growth and auspiciousness of the land. Ashoka Chakra indicates Dharma Chakra or Wheel of the Law, which has been taken from Sarnath. Important facts about our national flag. Our national flag is designed by Pingali Venkaiah. Ratio of our national flag is 2:3 according to its length and width. The national flag adopted on the 22nd of July 1947 in the meeting of the Constituent Assembly, and it became the official flag of India on the 15th of August 1947. The Flag Code of India has taken effect from the 26th of January 2002. Some important facts about flag hoisting. Every year, Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag on Red Fort, Delhi, during Independence Day. Every year, President of India hoists the national flag in Rashtrapati Bhavan, Delhi, during Republic Day. Jawaharlal Nehru hoisted national flag on Red Fort 17 times, and he is the first and longest-served Prime Minister of India. Indira Gandhi hoisted national flag on Red Fort 16 times, and she is the first woman Prime Minister of India. Manmohan Singh hoisted national flag on Red Fort 10 times. Narendra Modi hoisted national flag on Red Fort 8 times, and he is the present Prime Minister of India. Atal Bihari Vajpayee hoisted national flag on Red Fort 6 times. On the 15th of August 1947, Jawaharlal Nehru delivered a speech. It is known as Tristy with Destiny, and it is a 72-minute speech. Till 2015 it was known as India's longest duration of speech, and on the 15th of August 2015 Narendra Modi delivered a 86-minute speech. On the 15th of August 2019 Narendra Modi delivered a 92-minute speech. It is known as India's longest duration of speech. Now this year on the 15th of August 2021 Narendra Modi delivered a 88-minute speech. Out of 14 Prime Ministers of India, 2 didn't get a chance to hoist the national flag on Red Fort, one as acting Prime Minister Gulzarilal Nanda and another person as Chandra Sekhar. Half-mast of the national flag. Half-mast the national flag during national mourning. President of India, who decides the period of national mourning. When the flag is to be flown at half-mast, it must first be raised to the top of the mast and then slowly lowered. Only the Indian flag is flown half-mast, all other flags remain at normal height. The flag is flown half-mast nationwide on the death of the President, Vice President or Prime Minister. It is flown half-mast in New Delhi and the state of origin for the Speaker of the Lok Sabha, Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, and Union Ministers. On deaths of governors, lieutenant governors and chief ministers, the flag is flown at half-mast in the respective states and union territories. India's tallest flag at Belgavi, Karnataka, 361 feet height. Constituent Assembly set up an ad hoc committee to select a national flag for independent India. Dr. Rajendra Prasad headed this committee. The committee headed by Rajendra Prasad had B.R. Ambedkar, Sarojini Naidu, K.M. Munshi, C. Rajagopalachari and Maulana Abul Kalam Azad as its members. The spinning wheel of the Congress's flag was replaced by the chakra wheel, adopted from lion capital of Ashoka. This design was adopted by Constituent Assembly as national flag on the 22nd of July 1947 through a resolution which was approved unanimously. Flag Code of India 2002. The Flag Code of India 2002 has taken effect from the 26th of January 2002. Usage of the flag is governed by the Flag Code of India. According to the Flag Code of India, the Indian flag has a ratio of 2:3. All three stripes of the flag, saffron, white and green, are to be equal in width and length. The size of the Ashoka Chakra is not specified in the Flag Code, but it has 24 spokes that are evenly spaced. Naveen Jindal's petition, Flag Code was amended and all Indian citizens were allowed to use national flag on all days from the 26th of January 2002. Naveen Jindal is an Indian politician. Thank you for watching. Share this knowledge with your friends. Please like, share and subscribe. Once again, thank you.